Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In last class, we completed reduction of aldehydes and ketones with LiAlH4. Now see the next functional group, reduction of esters. Reduction of esters. Esters are reduced to primary alcohols with LiAlH4. General formula of ester RC double bond O R dash. It is reduced with two equivalents of LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis in presence of dilute acids. Then we can get primary alcohols RCH2OH plus R dash OH. Okay. Now see the mechanism for this reaction. It's very simple mechanism. In this, LiAlH4 undergoes ionization, then we can get lithium ion and AlH4 minus ion. Now this AlH4 minus ion, aluminum hydride ion, participate in this mechanism RC double bond O R dash. Now this ester molecule is attacked by hydride ion of LiAlH4. See this one, LiAlH4, I am writing in this way, hydrogen bonding AlH3. These pi electrons are shifted to this oxygen atom because between carbon and oxygen is more electronegative. That's why pi electrons are shifted to this. Positive charge is developed on this carbon atom. Then from this H minus attacking takes place at this electrophilic carbon atom, electrophilic center of this carbon atom. This carbon atom acquires positive charge, so it acts as a electrophilic center. Then we can get RC, negative charge is developed on this oxygen, hydrogen O R dash. In the next step, this alkoxy group is removed and negative charge is shifted between carbon and oxygen. Then we can get RC double bond O hydrogen. This R dash O is removed in the form of alkoxy R dash O minus ion. Now this aldehyde is attacked by another equivalent of LiAlH4. Here also same thing, AlH4 minus ion, I am writing in this way, HAlH3. Now these pi electrons are shifted to this oxygen. From this H minus attacks at this electrophilic center of carbon. Then we can get RCO minus H. Finally, it is treated with water in presence of dilute acid. That means hydrolysis in acidic medium. Then we can get RCOH, H. Or simply we can write RCH2OH. So this is primary alcohol. In this way, esters are reduced to primary alcohols with LiAlH4. This is a simple mechanism for reduction of esters. Esters treated with one equivalent of LiAlH4, then we can get this one, and then esters are converted to aldehydes. From this, another molecule of LiAlH4 attacks on this, then finally we can get primary alcohol. Next, see the example. If we take an example for this ester, we can understand more easily. CH3 C double bond O CH3. What is the name? Methyl acetate or methyl ethanoate. This is methyl ethanoate. This ester is treated with LiAlH4. How many equivalents of LiAlH4? 2 equivalents. 2 equivalents of LiAlH4 participate in this, followed by acidic hydrolysis. Then bond cleavage takes place at this position. We can get CH3 CH2OH plus CH3OH. Both are primary alcohols. Sometimes same type of alcohols or different types of alcohols. Here different types of alcohols we got: ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol. It depends upon the structure of the ester. Next, another functional group is reduction of acid chlorides. Reduction of acid chlorides. When acid chlorides are reduced with LiAlH4, we can get alcohols. General formula of this compound is RC double bond OCl gives rise to, reduced with 2 equivalents of LiAlH4 followed by acidic hydrolysis. Then we can get primary alcohol or CH2OH. This is primary alcohol. Take the example CH3 CH2 C double bond O Cl. What is its name? Propanoyl chloride. Propanoyl chloride. 3 carbon atoms are there. It is reduced with 2 equivalents of LiAlH4 followed by hydrolysis in presence of acids. Then H3O plus. We can get this one CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Primary alcohol. This is propanol. 1-propanol. Okay. So in this way, acid chlorides are reduced to primary alcohols with 2 equivalents of LiAlH4. Next, reduction of carboxylic acids. See this next functional group. Reduction of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids general formula RC double bond OH. These are reduced with 3 equivalents of LiAlH4 followed by acid hydrolysis. We can get alcohols, primary alcohols or CH2OH. Okay. So this is the reduction of carboxylic acids. See the example for this. Example CH3COOH. What is the name? Acetic acid. Or IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. This compound is reduced with 3 equivalents of LiAlH4. Then we can get primary alcohol CH3 CH2OH. Okay, this is ethanol. So this is the reduction of carboxylic acids. Okay.